All right, this is to help with ACT assignment number 5, question number 12. I kind of regret putting this one on here a little bit. I didn't realize it was on there, but we haven't covered this thing called cosecant yet. Um, so it may be a little bit tricky, but this is something we want to do maybe at some point before the end of the year. Anyway, I didn't even remember what it was, to be honest. So I Googled this to help, and this is Encyclopedia Britannica. I didn't even know that was still a thing in the world of Wikipedia. But at any rate, you can see cosecant. So here's sine cos tan is ratio between sides, which is what you're used to. But cosecant just puts, instead of sine is like opposite over hypotenuse, cosecant is a different ratio of hypotenuse over opposite. So it's kind of like the flip of sine. Okay, and then you got secant, which is kind of the flip of cosine, and then you got cotangent, which is a flip of tangent. Right? So basically to figure this out, you've got to do the ratio of sides. So here's a picture of it, and here's our angle theta. It doesn't matter really which one you pick, but for theta, its sine ratio would be A over C. All right, so its opposite over hypotenuse would be A over C. So that's a ratio for sine. Remember, sine is just a ratio between sides. And then the cosecant would be, if you look at that, cosecant would be hypotenuse over opposite. So that would be hypotenuse over opposite, right? And then the tricky part about this question is this is negative, and because of that, theta would actually go down. This is way above something we'd learned, but theta would be going down here, which would make, well, that's a bad picture, but it would make this side over here be negative A. So this should actually be negative A because it's cosecant of a negative angle, not positive theta. So at any rate, if we clean this up, we end up with multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, and then these match, so they just cancel out, and we get -1. So if you clean up this statement, it cleans up to -1. And that's something called trig identities, which you probably do in a later math class, and we haven't quite got to that yet, but maybe if you had Googled cosecant, you could have learned about it. The negative part is really tricky on this, but at any rate, our answer should be -1. Sorry, that one was so crazy. All right, hope you guys are all doing well.